and welcome to Thor-is-testing. Today we're going to test another MRE, and like I said from this Dutch one I had a couple of weeks ago, I am moving from the continent of Europe to US, and I have lots of different kind of US MREs, and I guess it's different brands of MREs. All of them are 12 hours and some of them are some called more and something like that, but let's try them and see how they are, and let's take it from there. I'm gonna pack this one out and see what's in it. Okay, now here we are on this MRE. This actually says Department of Defense up here, so I guess this is the real deal. I'm guessing, but anyhow, this actually looks very good. I've always wondered why the Americans tend to have 12-hour rations or 8-hour ration or what you want, and the European tend to have 24-hour rations. But I talked to one of my old soldier buddies, and he says that Americans tend to have more field kitchens options, so that the American eat a lot in field kitchens, and then they just get these packs here of 12-hour ration or 8-hour rations, so they just have something out when they're out, and then if they can't get in. But they normally eat at field kitchens. This is not how it is in Europe. Normally we eat our rations, or I used to when I was a soldier, and then sometimes we had field kitchens. But okay, this actually looks very good. If we start here, we have chicken with egg noodles, and we have a heating bag to it. We have some hot sauce, I think that's cool. We have some salt. Then we have mixed fruit for dessert. It looks very good in syrup. And then we have this kind of cake, also dessert. I think that looks very good too. We have some crackers, and we have peanut butters and jelly for the crackers. Cool. We have a beverage, it's grape, and you have this bag to use for filling up the different water levels here. I think that's cool also. Then you have a nice instant coffee with 2 creamers. Whoa, 2 creamers, that's a lot. Then you have some Skitters and some chewing gum for on the go. You have some tissues here, cool little thing here. Sugar, some matches, salt we have already used, and a moist towel. And then you have this spoon here. See, it feels very good. So I'm just gonna prepare in one time here and see how it tastes. Okay, now we're ready here. We have the hot meal. We have some hot sauce for it. It's down here. There's so much that I can almost not be on the plate here. We have some hot sauce I'm gonna try. We have the moisturizing towels. We have the fruit in syrup. We have some crackers with peanut butter and jelly. We have some chewing gum. We have some coffee. We have some grape beverage here, cold beverage. So over here on the side, look at this color. It's actually blue. Okay, I'm gonna try that. We have a cake here, and we have some Skitters. So I think I'm just gonna try the hot meal first. Oh, first of all, gonna try the wet moist towels. I think they're cool. I always enjoy with a good moisturizing towel. And let's see how this one is. It's a bit hard to pack out here in my hands here, big hands. It feels like a good wet. Doesn't smell of almost anything, but it has a good tear in it here, and actually very good quality here. Nothing to come about here. Then we have the hot meal here with egg noodles. It smells delicious. Just gonna taste a little bit of it before I try the hot sauce. That's not bad. Big chunks of chicken in there, but I do like hot sauce. Let's try some hot sauce on here. And we have salt. I love it. Iron-diced salt. Also, a little salt on it here. Yep. And a good mixture. Actually, I'm using my own spork here. I could have used the one that came with, but I'm gonna use that for the syrup here. So let's see how this is. That's delicious. Nice big chunks of chicken. The noodles are excellent. That's very nice. The hot sauce is not that hot, but you can actually taste it. So it does make a difference. I'm enjoying that. That's very delicious. Nice meal there. Let's try this blue stuff. It should be grape. I'm looking forward. And it smells like grape. It tastes good. It's not that sweet as you would think, and it has a nice taste to it of grapes. I'm enjoying that. Maybe we should try these biscuits. As you can see here, they were all completely cracked up in its pack, but just gonna try one plain. Standard biscuit, not too much salt, not too much anything, just a standard biscuit. I'm gonna try one with grape on it, with grape jam on it here, and this is very fluent, as you can see here. It's very fluently. I'm making a mess here. That's actually a very tasty jam, and it tastes good on these biscuits. I'm just gonna wash my hands here because I got grape jam all over the place. Okay, I'm gonna try some with some peanut butter, and there's lots of peanut butter. It's a big pack of peanut butter here, and you just got to take a good one out here. Peanut butter and crackers. It's just a nice standard, very strong peanut butter. I enjoy it. I like it. There's not too much crackers for it, but it really tastes good. Getting back to this fruit here. I would have thought it would be sweeter, but it's actually not. It's very tasty. These, I know this fruit doesn't look very nice because they're all mashed up, but it tastes great, and I think it's a very cool addition to a MRE. You get some nice fruit, and it's. I know there's lots of sugar in it and everything, but it's actually I would think it would be a very nice thing to get out on in the fields. So I'm just gonna taste this cookie here, or cake. It should be banana chocolate cake, and it tastes like that. It's very sweet, but you can taste the chocolate, and you can taste the banana. Oh no! I dropped a piece in my coffee. But that is a delicious cookie or cake, or what you want. I'm enjoying that. That's not gonna go to waste. Then you have some Skitters, and Skitters. Everybody knows them. And it's just a piece of candy in the MRE. Just gonna take my coffee here while I'm standing here contemplating this MRE. Oh, that's nice, a coffee. Okay, how about this 12-hour MRE? I have some tissues left over, and some matches, and some sugar actually, and some creamer I'm not using. And this this is delicious. The food is good. There's not a lot of it. It's not a big portion of food here, but it tastes good. You have dessert. You have cake. What's not to like? The crackers are a bit boring, but the jam and the peanut butter makes up for it. So that's actually excellent good. The grape beverage here is very refreshing and nice. You have Skitters. I actually really enjoy this. It is it's quite good. What does Europeans say about the American MREs? Well, they say they're kind of sugary, and it is. I must admit, most European uses nuts and stuff like that instead of candy. So I can see that you can get healthier calories than in this, because you both have cake and dessert and Skitters. But when you see past that, this is really good. It tastes good. It's nice. I have nothing to say bad about it. If I should say anything, it is the crackers are a bit boring, and you have lots of candy sugar in here. Okay. Next time I'll be trying a different brand of American MRE. So if you guys know anything about these brands I use, just let me know in the commentary. Okay, until then, see you later. Bye.